Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you delete or remove your accountant from your FreshBooks? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your accountant from your FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you have to switch over to different providers, including your accountant. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshBooks, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove your accountant, what you're going to do is here on the left side, go ahead and look for this button here called Team Members. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the team members that you've added into your FreshBooks. And all you want to do is just scroll down and then hover over your accountant's name right here. Once you do that, then their line is going to turn blue, as you can see right here. And you will also see this pop up over here to the right of a trash can. Go ahead and click on there. All right, once you do that, you will see this pop up asking if you're sure you would like to delete your accountant from your FreshBooks. If you're okay with that, click on this green delete button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. You can see success right here. And now my accountant has been removed from my FreshBooks, so they no longer have access to the data in here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove or delete your accountant or your bookkeeper from your FreshBooks, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.